Hi students, welcome to English lesson with Miss Günel. In today's lesson, we will learn about values like in previous lesson. And the name of the unit is Values are like fingerprints. You know, fingerprints are unique for each person in the world. So it means that nobody in the world has the same fingerprint with somebody else. So values are also like this. How they are unique, how they are like fingerprints, we will see it with one quote at the beginning of this unit. This is quote from your textbooks. It says, values are like fingerprints. Nobody's are the same, but you leave them all over everything you do. So when we touch something, we leave our fingerprints, yes? So values are also like this. Whenever we value something, we leave our fingerprints in it. It means that we leave some impressions on things. Values are like respect, like kindness, like patience, like doing good things for others, and nobody will forget them. They are like fingerprints. We leave them everywhere. In today's lesson, we will do a speaking task. There are going to be 4 speakers who talk about values, and we need to identify which speaker talks about which type of value. The values given here, self-giving, patience, kindness and respect, are for us, so the people are going to talk about them. We will define who talks about which one. And now let's listen to the speaker 1.
Personally, I think kindness is the most significant value in a person's life. It's about treating others the way you want to be treated, with thoughtfulness, patience, and respect. It's more than just holding your tongue when you want to say something unkind or bad. Kindness is looking for ways to make life better for others.
The speaker 1 talks about kindness. Kindness is treating people the way you want to be treated. If you want people to respect you, you should respect them. If you want people to do good things for you, you should do good things for people.
Speaker 2.
In my opinion, patience is a more important value in our life. When someone is taking your time or attention away from something you do, or making your life harder in some way, you practice patience by trying to see the situation from their point of view and responding with kindness and respect. No matter how you feel when someone interrupts you, you always should treat them with the same patience.
Speaker 2 talks about patience. Patience is when somebody takes your time, you practice patience. You learn to be patient when somebody is taking your time.
Speaker 3.
Well, being respected by important people in our lives teaches us how to be respectful toward others. Respect is accepting others for who they are, even when they are different from us or we don't agree with them. Respect is building feelings of trust, safety, and well-being. We must treat all humans with equal respect, regardless of their age, nationality, religion. Respect doesn't come naturally. It is something we learn.
Speaker 3 talks about respect. Respect is accepting people how they are. It is treating people equally. Finally, the speaker 4.
For me, another word for self-giving is sacrifice. But self-giving has a more positive meaning. Essentially, you're giving your time, your attention, your energy, and your abilities to help or enrich another person. You give of yourself to others not to only connect with them, but to allow your connectedness. What you give to them, you also receive.
The speaker 4 talks about self-giving. Self-giving has another meaning, sacrificing. It means giving your time and energy to somebody else. This is called self-giving. After the listening part, after thinking about values, we are going to learn some grammar today. And our grammar topic is zero conditional and first conditional. Zero conditional is used when we talk about things in general. And we use if or when in our sentences. The structure is if, when, plus present simple, plus present simple. We use it to talk about general or specific situation or something which is always true. Let's write one example to understand this. If you heat water up to 100 degrees, it boils. This is a general fact. This is a fact that is always true. If you heat water up to 100 degrees, it boils. So here, if you heat present simple, it boils again present simple. We use present simple and present simple because this is the fact. This is always true. It is called zero conditional. And the second grammar rule we will learn today is first conditional. First conditional is used to talk about future possibilities, things that are possible in the future. And the structure is if or when plus present simple plus will. And we use the first conditional to talk about future possibilities. Let's write one example. If you help me, we use present simple here. Help me is present simple. Now we need to use will. If you help me, I will be happy. I will be happy. If you help me, I will be happy. It is called first conditional and it talks about future possibilities. Dear students, now let's do our exercise about first and zero conditional. Let's remember the rules that we learned today and do this exercise. Number 1, if you, this button, water out. This is something which is about future. If you push this button, what will happen if you push this button? It's first conditional. Water will come out. Will come out. So it is what is going to happen, what is possible to happen if you do so. It's first conditional. Number 2, if the weather bad this year, food prices go up. So it is also first conditional. If the weather is bad this year, why I said is because our verb is be and present simple form of the verb be is is. If the weather is bad this year, food prices, in first conditional we use will, yes? We will say will go up. Food prices will go up. It means that food will be expensive this year. And the last one. I phone my mom every evening. If I, her, she, worried. This sentence is a situation which is always true. And for such situations, we use zero conditional. It means that there will be if, then present simple again. Present simple of not phone is if I don't phone. If I don't phone. She gets worried. If I don't phone her, she gets worried. It's a fact that is always true. That is why we used zero conditional in this sentence. Dear students, we are in the end of our lesson for today. I hope you learned the first and zero conditional. Also, I hope you practiced listening about values. Please do some more exercises in your textbooks. That's all for today. See you next time. Bye.